Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello, city builders. In this video, I will explain how to play Cities, Skylines 2 on Mac. Unfortunately, this highly anticipated city building game is not natively available for Mac OS. This is primarily because the game utilizes DirectX, a graphics application programming interface that only works on Windows. Additionally, the Mac gaming market is significantly smaller, making a dedicated native port less profitable for developers. But don't worry, there are still excellent ways to enjoy the game on your Apple device. One of the best ways to play Cities, Skylines 2 on your Mac is through cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the game from powerful remote servers directly to your computer, bypassing the need for local installation or high-end hardware. Services like NVIDIA GeForce Now and Boosteroid are excellent choices. For the best experience, you'll need a stable internet connection, ideally at least 15 megabits per second for high-definition streaming. A wired Ethernet connection is highly recommended to minimize lag and ensure consistent performance. Another method involves running a Windows virtual machine on your Mac. Software like Parallels Desktop allows you to install a complete Windows operating system alongside Mac OS without needing to reboot. Once Windows is set up, you can then install Cities, Skylines 2 as if you were on a standard PC. However, performance can be a challenge due to the game's demanding nature and the virtual machine sharing your Mac's resources. For a smoother experience, ensure your Mac has at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and allocate a minimum of 8 gigabytes and 4 CPU cores to the virtual machine. To get the best possible performance, regardless of your chosen method, here are a few tips. For cloud gaming, a strong wired internet connection is paramount to avoid any interruptions or lag. If you're using a virtual machine, make sure to close all other Mac OS applications to dedicate maximum resources to the game. Additionally, adjusting the in-game graphics settings to very low or low can significantly boost your frame rates. Finally, using a dedicated gaming mouse can greatly enhance your precision and overall enjoyment while building your dream city.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.